What's good with y'all? What's good with y'all? This the ultimate guide for the beginners of NoFap. These for the people that's just beginning NoFap and don't know really nothing about it, and they just want to jump on the train because, you know, they want to better their life, you know? So first off, the ultimate guide is you want to how can I say this? You want to start doing research before you jump in, because this is not easy. It's not simple. It's not something that's just gonna happen just like that. No, you're gonna have to go through a lot of trials and tribulations. Whew, man. It's gonna be times where you just want to give up, but don't give up, bro. It's a light at the end of the tunnel. Always a light. Always a light. But you have to go through a lot of trials and tribulations. That's the first thing with the ultimate guide. And I wanted to get that one out the way because I know a lot of people, if I say that in between or at the end, a lot of y'all are going to probably be like, man, like, I'm just going to turn off the video because I don't want to go through all of that. But that's what you have to go through so you can understand and learn from your situation. That's why they always say it's going to get painful before it get good. You're going to feel pain until you start to feel comfortable. You got to get yourself uncomfortable to get yourself comfortable. Remember that one. Always remember that. So you're going to have to go through trials and tribulations until you start to see them blessings. And once you learn from them trials and tribulations, sometimes a lot of people is hard-headed like me. I'm very hard-headed. So I had to go through a lot of things just to start to see things, you know, with this. But when I tell you, it's a lot of good things that's coming out of this guide. This guy I'm finna tell you. And once you get it down pat, things gonna just start happening for you, bro. That door is gonna start to open. So first off, you need to, like I say, you're gonna have to go through trial and tribulation. That's the first thing. But the second thing of this guide is you're going to be a better man in life. Let's just say you're a beginner and you trying to figure out, okay, like why do I want to do this NoFap stuff? I said this in the other video, but why do you want to become a better man? You want to stop the cycle. You want to stop the cycle, especially if your brother are doing it or people in your family are doing it. You want to stop this as much as possible because you're going to end up poor. You're going to end up depressed. What else? It's just a lot of things that's not gonna help you as a man. You're gonna probably get ED. If you don't know what that is, just look it up. Interact dysfunction, you know. What else? What else you gonna get? It's a lot of stuff that just is, you're not gonna be able to get no females at all. Females don't accept this. Now I'm talking about the real females. Probably females that just want to have sex all day. Yeah, probably them females. And them probably the females that look less attractive. They don't look attractive at all. So remember that. Another guy with this, just to guide you through this. You also want to just start bettering your life. Like start doing things that's uncomfortable, bro. So like taking cold showers. Even with this, bro, like like if it get too hard for you, bro. I heard somebody do this. Like I heard a homie that made a video, and I heard about this. He said try to put tape around your penis, man, like just so you could stop. And then like even write a little note on it. Do not touch. That might help, man. And it's like your penis gonna feel kind of weird, yeah, but at least you're not touching it. You know what I mean? At least you're not doing that. You know, I'd rather put tape around my penis, and especially like if you're not having no sex or nothing, that's the best time. Or like if you ain't got no girl, Just put it around your penis. But if you got a girl, I'm gonna be honest, and you still kind of doing it, it's like, bro, like, it's like, man, you got a girl, bro. Like, a lot of dudes, you can't take that for granted, bro. You can't take that for granted. This another important thing for the guy. Like, if you got a girlfriend, bro, have sex with your girl, bro. Instead of trying to touch your penis and look at females on the internet. I know a lot of men that go through that. They still try to look at porn because they feel like the female that's on there, that's all fake, bro. That's all fake. Why not try to enjoy the real thing instead of doing it with the fake? Like, it just don't make any sense. So that's another guy. Get you a girl. If you don't got you one, try to find you a girl, man. If you that sexual, and have sex with the real thing instead of the fake thing. You might be like, oh, well, the girls on porn don't look like my girl. Then why is you with the girl then? Go find you a girl that's even if you want it to look like the porn stars, bro. Go try to find you one. There's so many females that's out here that you could go talk to, bro. And then another thing, start eating healthy. That's another one, bro. Start eating healthy and start disciplining yourself. Discipline yourself by even try to do this. I even did this before, and it helped a lot. I started eating, like, healthy, and I started eating foods that didn't have nothing on it. Like, no season, no nothing. Try doing that, bro. Like, I'm telling you, you have to get yourself uncomfortable to make your life comfortable. I'm going to say it again. You have to get your life uncomfortable to make it comfortable. Once you understand that, that's literally the ultimate guide right there. You have to get yourself uncomfortable to make your life comfortable, bro. And if you don't understand that, just continue to meditate on it. Listen to it and think about it. Okay, man. Okay, what do he mean by that? He's saying make your life uncomfortable to make it comfortable. You have to do hard stuff to make your life easy, bro. I hope I ain't got to continue to explain it, bro. Like, go run out in the cold. I literally just ran out in the cold. That's a rattlesnake? I literally ran out in the cold, right? I ran out in the cold with just shorts and a hoodie on. Like, literally, bro. Just jogging around the city. Well, not around the city, around the block. Literally. I'm telling you, bro, you have to do... That's another way to get them urges away, bro. Like, do some push-ups. Do something. Start exercising. That's another thing in the God. When you exercise, you get your blood, you get your mind, like, going. But if you sitting in one place, it's like, okay, I'll give you an example. My pops told me about this. He said, when you sitting in place and just sitting there and you're not doing anything, it's like a car that's sitting there. You got your foot on the gas and you got it in park, right? And you just, it say, that's what your brain is doing when you just sitting there. Remember that. That's what's happening, bro. So you have to make sure that your car, your body is just like a car. Imagine it like that. You want to continue to keep driving, and then when you want to go park it, let's make it like this. Let's say the time you park it is when the time you go to sleep or something, or the time you just want to rest, and you like rest after you got done for a long drive or a drive around the city or whatever. When you driving around the city, that's when you working and grinding, and you getting your grind on, trying to take your time to grind on this or grind on that. When you go in the rest, like when you parked your car, that's when you rested, and you probably going to sleep, or stuff like that. Every time you gotta stay busy, bro. That's another thing in the God. You have to stay busy. If you're not busy on anything and staying busy on your goals or whatever, you're gonna lose, bro. You're gonna relapse every single time. You don't want that. You don't want that. You don't want to relapse, bro. That's the worst. Think about it like this, bro. You telling me you'll risk it all just to look at Look at two people having sex, or look at a female on Instagram or anything that's gonna reset you back. You'll do that just to mess up all that energy you was building up. You was probably on your 70 day, like on 70 days on your street. We don't even like streets. We trying to make this a lifestyle. Let's get that straight. But let's just say you on 70 days. You telling me you gonna risk it all just to do it for 2 minutes? 2 minutes to get that now you back to square one. Now you feeling like crap. Now you don't want to go outside. Now you don't want to do this or take care of the goal that you was gonna do. Now you don't even want to eat. You just sitting in your room all day, eating on chips and stuff. Like, come on, bro. Come on, man. You gotta say to yourself, because I've been through this, so I know. You gotta tell yourself, bro, you telling me I'm gonna continue to go through this cycle. I'm gonna continue to make myself go through this cycle. Man, you better go all in, bro. That's the only way you're gonna win. You have to go all in to win. Remember that. That's the quote of the day. You have to go all in to win. Let's go, brothers. I want to see all my brothers prosper. Yay, NoFap is clocking out, bro.